Alrighty, students, today we'll be looking at section 78, and we're talking about constructions. Yeah. Alright, we are skipping a section or two. We won't be covering those in class. So if you go back in your textbook and you see, hey, what about in this section? Well, we're not covering that. But the construction part has a few definitions, and this is really a section where, like a lot of the stuff we've done, I'm going to have to show you in class with some examples, and we're going to need a special tool called a compass. And this is not a compass like that y'all typically see, the round thing, that thing that, you know, points north, and you got south and east and west. That kind of compass is not what we're talking about. The kind of compass that we're going to be using is going to look like two pieces of pencil put together, and you use it to help you draw circles, okay? And it can be used for other things too. But let's get these definitions down first. So first definition we have is the midpoint of a section. So the midpoint of a segment is the point that divides the segment into two segments of equal length. So midpoint, put it in layman's terms, it's if you put the dot in the very middle. So if I have like a line and I put it in the very center of that line, then it's a midpoint. A segment bisector is a line that segments or a ray that goes through the midpoint of a segment. So for instance, if you look here, we have segment AB. And segment AB is bisected, means it's cut in half, okay? By this line here, line L. So line L is a segment bisector of segment AB. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect to form right angles. So it would be like, you know, like a plus sign. You make two lines that intersect and it actually makes right angles. So a plus sign is made of two lines that are perpendicular to each other. A segment bisector that is perpendicular to a segment is a perpendicular bisector of the segment. You can use a compass and a straight edge to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given segment. And we'll show you in class, I will show you, how to use the compass and how you can use it to make circles, how you can use it to make congruent lines to each other, and how you can use it to make perpendicular lines accurately. We're not just eyeballing it, okay? So we'll cover that in class. And really, that's all there is to it. Wow, this is probably the shortest video you're going to have. Now, you might need to pause it just to copy this down and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you in class. Enjoy the short video.